Welcome back. In the first lecture of this section, we started with a small bash of the pie chart. Then we saw how to create a pie chart and how to interpret it. Now we've come to the last but also important topic, when to use one. Creating a pie chart with data in percentage points, even though the data doesn't add up to 100%. A prime example is the following chart, showing preterm birth rates. Unfortunately, this chart is not a meaningful representation of this information, as the data doesn't sum up to a full 100%. Moreover, the opposite statement is also true. If we have data which has a total of more than 100, once again, we shouldn't numerous examples of poorly executed charts which were presented in blogs, articles, or even news reports. These range from funny to just sadly wrong. There are a few reasons for experts in data visualization to refrain from using pie charts. They go beyond the fact that often people create pie charts using the wrong type of data. We already mentioned the issue with telling the size of pie slices. It is again easily demonstrated with this chart representing monthly gym membership subscriptions in the span of 1 year. No matter how you spin it, this isn't the best visual to represent this information. Apart from not being able to tell the exact size of each slice, here we have an additional problem. We simply have too many categories, which results in a very cluttered chart. The reason is that although the categories do indeed sum up to 100%, we have too many of them. A general rule among the size of the pie slices next to impossible. For instance, take a look at the categories for August and September, which are the two most substantial slices. They appear to be so similar in size that it is doubtful we can discern which is larger between the two. Therefore, the data at hand using a pie chart isn't recommended. Instead, presentation made by Steve Jobs. Here, the pie chart depicts the U.S. market share for smartphones. The Apple slice with 19.5% looks like it is second largest. However, on close inspection, we realize that it is the third largest, following the other category, which accounts for over 21.2% of the market. Because of the position and the 3D effect, the Apple proportion looks more prominent than it is. Now, you may think this is bad thinking on Apple's part, but you might view it as a deliberate effort to make it appear as if Apple was a bigger player than it actually was. In any case, the chart is misleading and shows precisely why you should generally avoid using a 3D pie chart. Many people feel tempted to add a 3D effect on their pie charts. Maybe because it is so easily done using Excel or Tableau. It could be that some users feel that the chart looks more sophisticated that way, or that by adding a 3D effect, they're gaining a wow effect at a low price. Whatever the reasoning, it isn't helping your audience understand the message you're trying to get across. To sum up, 3D pies are a no-no. All right, the last item on the agenda is another chart of the food variety, the donut. Now, people who make donut charts will tell you that if you remove the center of the pie chart, we'll put our best foot forward and create a stacked area chart. See you there, and thanks for watching.